In this video, I'm going to explain solubility product numerical part 3. So previous videos part 1 and part 2, you can watch and then come back to the part 3. Then easily you can understand numerical part also. Previous year numerical part, 4 different models I have taken. And one question I am giving, test yourself question. So you can try yourself. If you are getting answer, comment me. Else I will explain. I'll give the solution next video. Okay, students, suppose first question, solubility product. First one, the solubility product of a solution having general formula mx2 type. So what is this? mx2 type. So previous video I had explained AB type, AB2 type, AB3 type, like this, right? So this is AB2 type. So like you have to guess what is the type. Then if you remember final expression, no, you can substitute directly. Suppose 4s cube, like that. This is the s square. This is the 27 to the power 4. If you remember directly, you can go for calculation, or else you can use again the shortcut. You can go for the derivation formula, then you can substitute, you'll get the answer. So the solubility product of solution having general formula mx2 in water is, what is the value? Solubility product finally. So I am writing here Ksp equal to, solubility product is nothing but Ksp. Ksp equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2, right? Minus 2 molar. Now the concentration of the ions in the aqueous solution of the salt is, so how much they are asking. So first, what is the given salt, students? mx2 type. mx2 type, how it can dissociate? Tell me. M plus 2 plus 2x minus, right? This is S, this is 2s, you can take it. So Ksp equal to, what is this? S into 2s whole square. You can take like that, or else whatever I had given shortcut, the simple shortcut we can take it. So you can take, what is the, students? Ksp equal to S into 2s to the power 2. So for some of the students, they were doing like this. Here you will get 4s cube value. You can use this formula. Else we are using shortcut. Ksp equal to x to the power x, y to the power y, s to the power x plus y. So if this formula, you no need to take this one also. Directly you can substitute. What is this? M. So x equal to 1. So here y equal to 2. That's it. It is very simple. So Ksp equal to 1 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, s to the power 1 plus 2. That's it. This is 4s cube. So finally, so what we have to calculate here? Ksp equal to 4s cube. Ksp they had given, they are asking yes. S equal to s cube equal to, tell me, Ksp by 4. What is Ksp value, students? Yes, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 by 4. Yes, this is whole to the power 1 by 3. You can write like this. So see, any cancellation terms is there? Yes, these two gets cancelled. 10 to the power of minus 2. 10 to the power of minus 2 whole to the power 1 by 3 cube root. So then what you will get? This is minus, one second. What is this question? 10 to the power of minus 2 or minus 12? Slight mistake is there. See, yes, this is 10 to the power of minus 12. Minus 12. So this is minus 12. You can substitute minus 12 here. So this is 10 to the power of minus 2 cube root. What you will get answer, students? 10 to the power of minus 4. So finally you can write 1 into 10 to the power of minus 4 molar. That's it. Clear? So what is the answer? Yes, this is your answer. You can take it. So like this we can calculate this type of numericals. Now model 2. Model 2 little confusing question. So I'll explain little slowly, students. pH of barium hydroxide solution is 12. Okay, it's a solubility product. They're asking solubility product. Ksp they're asking. But how to solve this type of question? Ksp how? So pH, barium hydroxide, this is base, right? So that is the reason they gave pH value. They gave pH value 12, but we have to calculate here pOH. How to calculate pOH? So 14 minus 12. Are you remembered the formula? pKW equal to pH plus pOH, right? So pKW equal to 14. 14 equal to pH how much? 12 plus pOH. Based on that you will come to know 14 minus 12. This is 2. This is what, students? pOH. But we have to calculate OH minus ion concentration. No? How to calculate OH minus ion concentration here? Any idea? Yes, we can do that. Now pH equal to pOH. Once again, here you can do. So pOH equal to, first you note down this point and come back to here. So then what is this expression, students? pOH equal to minus log of OH minus, you will know this one, no? So here simply I am writing, listen students. So OH minus ion concentration equal to log, if you bring this side 10 to the power of pOH. You can write like this, 10 to the power of pOH minus. So then 10 to the power of pOH how much? Just now we have taken, no? Yes, this is 12. This is 2 minus 2. 10 to the power of minus 2. This is your, what is this? OH minus ion concentration. Now what they are asking? KSP they are asking. So how to calculate? This is OH minus ion concentration, we have got it, means this is solubility. This is solubility. Yes, we have got it. Now barium hydroxide. Yes, barium hydroxide. How it can dissociate? Barium plus 2 OH minus, right? So now you can write your points. What are the points, students? Barium hydroxide. Barium hydroxide, KSP equal to barium, yes, plus 2 into, what is this? OH minus, what is the concentration? Stoichiometric coefficient raised to the power 2, right? So then this is barium plus 2. You have to take it concentration. Yes, this is how we can take this one. How we can take this one? 2s whole square. Don't forget this one. If you forget 2s, that's all. You will get wrong answer. Here only most of the students doing mistakes. That's why I have selected this question. So concentrate. Now, this is one of the important point. After that, the next important step is, see here, barium hydroxide 1:2 ratio, right? 1:2 ratio reacting. Here OH minus ion concentration how much? OH minus ion concentration how much? 10 to the power of minus 2. So it plays very important role, students. If you take directly this numerical, so definitely will get wrong. So what I am telling, important note point, listen. So here OH minus ion concentration equal to 10 to the power of minus 2. But how many OH minus ions? So 2 OH minus ions. The total concentration is 10 to the power of minus 2. But 10 to the power of minus 2. But barium ion only 1, no? Then you can take it as half 10 to the power of minus 2 by 2. So then this is the correct expression, 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Then you will get answer. Otherwise you will get completely wrong. So substitute now. So yes, this S is nothing but what, students? Now substitute 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 2S. What is 2S? The total, this is the total concentration. No? So that is 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square. Then simplify this one. Simplify. So 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So totally you will get 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So this is KSP whole cube, right? 10 cube, you will get answer. So what is our answer, students? So here see, two similar answers they had given. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 is there, 10 to the power of minus 9 also there. If you are taking directly, this is the 10 to the power of minus 2, here answer no, you will get completely wrong, students. Okay, so please try to understand, practice this question. I am giving the similar question, homework question you can do, and next video I am going to give the answer, check it. So finally our answer is this one. See, finally I am repeating once again, here pH of barium hydroxide solution they had given 12. So from that you can calculate POH. Once you came to know POH, you know OH minus ion concentration. This is the expression POH equal to minus log of OH minus. Once you came to know OH minus ion concentration, you keep it side. Then you come back to the question. pH of barium hydroxide solution they are given. It's the solubility. This guy's solubility we have to express and we have to calculate. So KSP equal to how? Barium Ba plus 2. This is 2OH minus no concentration you are writing always raise it to the power 2. So then you can substitute, but here taking value is plays important role. Already had explained. This is total OH minus ions concentration, but OH minus ion concentration how much in the vessel? 2 moles. Right, 1:2 ratio reacting. This is 2 means this is 1. If it is 1 means you can take it as half like that. Okay. So this is like simplify here, then you can substitute. Finally, you will get the answer 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Clear, students? So this question is most important. So actually this is mains level question, but sometimes they are asking in NEET level also. Some of the students ask this question. That's the reason. So I have selected this one. Everyone go through this and calculate, and next whatever I am giving the question, try it and give me the solution. See students, next this is very simple model. This is NEET level. NEET level, a little easy zone, this ionic equilibrium. Definitely this type of questions we can expect. Solubility of AgCl in water 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5 molar. Calculate solubility product. What is solubility product? KSP. How much? So AgCl. AgCl it is partially soluble only, but in that also we can calculate AgCl. How it can dissociate, students? Ag plus Cl minus. Right. So I gave one more shortcut. What is this? KSP equal to x to the power x. Yes, y to the power y, s to the power x plus y. This is actually AB type. AB type. If you remember, that is also you can write. So 1 to the power 1. Ag is 1. Ag equal to 1 and chloride ion also 1. That is x equal to 1, y equal to 1. You can substitute 1 to the power 1, 1 plus 1, s square. Right. So KSP equal to s square. So KSP equal to s square. How much they gave? Solubility 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5 molar whole square. Then 4 into 10 to the power of minus 10 m square. So that's it. This is your answer. Okay. This is even theory examination also. You can expect a NEET model, KSET model. Okay. MSET level questions. Now KSP. KSP, this is one of the most important confusing part for the student. So here two different questions I asked. KSP of AgCl. AgCl KSP they had given. AgCl KSP equal to how much? 1 into 10 to the power of minus 10. They are asking just a solubility. It's very easy. Just now we have taken. This is AB type, no students. AB type. You can calculate. But next point is easy. Calculate its solubility in pure water. Pure water means AB type, whatever we have taken expression like that you can do. But in 0.1 molar AgNO3 solution means it's common ion. If you add common ion, what happened? Solubility definitely decreases. According to Lee-Chartier's principle, in the previous video concept I had explained, go through that. So listen students, first we can take KSP equal to S square. Directly I am taking the formula, you people know, no? So KSP how much? 1 into 10 to the power of minus 10. This is S square. S equal to root over 10 to the power of minus 10. That is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 5. Right students? Up to here clear. So 10 to the power of minus 5 molar. That's it. Okay. Now the same solubility product you can calculate where students? In the common ion solution. What happened? Check it. We'll check the what will happen, whether it is decreases or increases, why it is decreases also will discuss. Now write down first. AgCl, right? First AgCl. AgCl, how it can dissociate students? Partial dissociation, no? Ag plus and Cl minus. Okay. You can take its solubility S and S. What about AgNO3? AgNO3 salts, nitrate salts, completely soluble, I said, no? So in previous video concept explanation time, Ag plus NO3 minus. Okay, how much concentration they are given? 0.1 molar. That you can write. This is starting 0.1 molar. Definitely you will get this is also 0.1. This is also 0.1. Now KSP. You can write KSP equal to, what is this? KSP equal to, how to take? Is here only most of the students is doing mistake. Ag. Okay. So this is Ag plus common ion, no? Common ion, no, students. If you take this common ion, so definitely Cl minus and NO3 minus. So NO3 minus, Cl minus is not matching, but these two are common ions. No, if you calculate Ag plus, you have to calculate both. You have to take both S plus 0.1 into this is Cl. This is only we are calculating the AgCl, how much it is soluble. So Cl minus concentration, how much into N. That's all. If you are not taking your S plus 0.1, you will get wrong answer. It plays important role. I am repeating once again. Here, once you added the common ion, what happened? Ag plus ions are increasing. If Ag plus ions are increasing in the vessel, then what happened? Reaction favors backward direction. Backward direction is nothing but it is going back. Solubility decreases. Definitely compared to this value, you will get lesser value. So you can guess like this also. But that's not correct. So do it, and after that you go back to the answers. Okay, students, we can do now. Okay, try it. How to do this one? So this here 0.1. This Ag plus ion. This is partially soluble salt. Partially soluble salt is sparingly soluble salt. Its solubility is very less. But compared to these two, which concentration is more? This concentration is more. Then you can neglect this one. That means 0.1 greater than S. Then you can neglect the term. Next, now you can write. What is this? What is the students? 0.1 into S. Clear? 0.1 into S. What is the KSP? They had given no KSP value. How much they gave KSP value, students? Yes, 10 to the power of minus 10. 10 to the power of minus 10. You can see the above numerical. So KSP equal to 10 to the power of minus 10. Then 0.1 into S. Yes, how much S, students? So what is this? 10 to the power of minus 10 by, so 0.1. So if you simplify this one, 10 to the power of minus 10 into 10 to the power of 1 if you bring up. So these two get cancelled. Finally, you will get 10 to the power of minus 9. So which is the bigger value? Where concentration is more? See, this is 10 to the power of 1 second. See, I will show this value. 10 to the power of minus 5 molar, 10 to the power of minus 9 molar. Which is the bigger value? This value. This is increases. This is more. It's soluble more. So finally, AgCl is soluble more in water. AgCl is soluble in less in common ion. 10 to the power of minus 9. So you'll get questions like this, students. Hope everybody understood. So if you have any queries also, just to comment me. Next video we'll discuss the points. And next, I am giving one question, students. Everybody try to do this one. So this is one of the important model 2019 question I am giving. 2019 question. NEET 2019 question. Everyone try to do this one. POH calculation I have explained. This is pH. Directly they have taken pH. So what is the question? Fifth question. So 2019 question. So write down pH of a saturated solution. pH of a saturated solution of calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is 9. The solubility product. KSP of calcium hydroxide is. Okay. So common ion, same like POH calculation I have done, no, same like that you can do. But there I have taken POH. POH is means indirect. So but here directly they had given pH. pH means H plus concentration. How you can take? Try yourself. And I am giving options also. So first one is 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 15. second option 0.25 into 10 to the power of minus 10, and the third one is 0.125 into 10 to the power of minus 15, and the fourth one is 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So what is your answer? You can check it. So along with this question solution, next one more question also there, calcium fluoride and NaF. That is also one of the frequently asking questions. These two questions I am going to give solution. Okay. So next one. Next question. Try these two questions. This is 2019. This is also NEET question. The molar solubility. The molar solubility of calcium fluoride. Its KSP value 5.3 into 10 to the power of minus 11 in 0.1 molar solution of NaF, common ion. If you add common ion, what happens? Solubility definitely decreases. We have seen, no? So what is this answer? So right, what is this? 5.3 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Next, 5.3 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Then 5.3 into 10 to the power of minus 8. And fourth one is 5.3 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So what is our answer? Almost all are same, just slight variations is there. Just check it, this one. So try yourself if you're getting fine. If not, so next video I am going to give the solution, students. This concept is little confusing, but once you understood theory points like part 1, part 2, then numerical you can start. After seeing the video, again yourself you can practice all the questions. Definitely you will feel easy, you will get all the solutions. Okay students, thank you. Thanks for watching.